If you've never tweeted before and you've been following along and you set up your first business-oriented Twitter account, then you might be wondering, well, how do I find people to follow? Or how do I get people to follow me? Or how do I tweet? What's happening here on the screen? That's what this little video is about. And again, remember that lynda.com has an entire series of lessons on Twitter Essentials, so you might want to check that out too. But basically, what you do is you go to your home on twitter.com, you click inside this little box, and you type something for your followers. Now, I do have some followers here because I let them know that I would be creating a new account to help show people how to use Twitter. And so they decided to follow me. But basically what you would do would be to tell all of your clients your Twitter address, which in this case is twitter.com/bliss5, because that is the username for this account. Go to that URL and follow that person, and then they'll be following you. So you can click over here on your followers and see who is following you. And then if you want to follow them back in turn, you don't have to. You can just click this little button here that says follow them. So in order for somebody to follow you, they have to have a Twitter account. Otherwise, they can always go to twitter.com/your username and read your tweets, but they won't get notified automatically whenever you tweet something new. So just start with getting a few followers among your closest friends or family, and follow a few people yourself by looking for interesting people to follow, and then start tweeting. All right, so we're going to come back up here under Home, and we're going to talk about strategic business tweeting in an upcoming movie. But the basics are that you type something that, what are you doing or what are you interested in now, and it has to be under a certain number of characters. You can see it starts out at 140. And as I start typing, like let's say, hey, I created a new background for our Twitter page. It's giving you a count as you go down. Now, let's say that I actually wrote a really long tweet. I'm just going to paste this a couple times. When you go too long, then it tells you that you're 16 over. It won't let you post. So you want to make sure and keep it shorter than 140. And in fact, you want to try and keep a little bit of extra room in case this is something that you want somebody to retweet. So let's just leave it at this length, and then you click Update. And then it immediately empties out. You see it appear in your Twitter feed. Anybody who's following you will also see it appear along with your picture, and you can see what you most recently posted. Let's say that you just posted a new link and said, we've topped ourselves again in the hot chocolate department, and I want to drive people to this page. So what I would do would be to come up here and select the link, copy it, go to my Twitter page and say, we just started offering a delicious new hot chocolate, and it's Spicy Bliss Organic Hot Chocolate Collection. Spicy Bliss Organic Hot Chocolate Collection, and then you add the link. We still have a little bit of room. That's perfect. So you click Update, and this is what other people will see, that you wrote this, and then this is the URL, and if they click that URL, that will drive traffic to your website. Let's refresh and see if anyone else has tweeted. And somebody that we're following happens to have mentioned our brand, which is very nice. So let's say that I want to retweet this. To retweet, all you need to do is select the tweet, copy it, and then in your little box type RT space and then the @ symbol. The @ and then the username means that this will turn it into a link to bring people to Releveler's Twitter homepage. Normally a retweet is an exact quote, so you just type that. You can also add your own stuff in parentheses afterwards or something, and then click Update. You can see on the right in the sidebar that you can click on your Twitter username, @bliss5 in this case, and it will show you all tweets that mention bliss5, not just among your followers, but among the entire Twitter universe. And then over here you'll see trending topics, means these are the topics that at this point in time a lot of people are writing about in Twitter. And you can also search Twitter for certain topics, see if anybody is mentioning keywords or key phrases of interest to you. But that's basically all you do, is you tweet every once in a while, you stay within 140 characters, you include links when possible, and you read what others tweet about you.